Can I bring a Gillette razor in my carry-on luggage on a plane?
Hello, savvy travelers. Today, we'll be tackling a very common question that a lot of you have been asking us. Can I bring a Gillette razor in my carry-on luggage on a plane? So, let's dive straight into it and shed some light on this topic.
What does the TSA say?
The Transportation Security Administration, or TSA, is the governing body that decides what you can and can't bring on a plane. According to TSA guidelines, you can indeed bring a disposable razor or a cartridge razor like those from Gillette in your carry-on luggage. But there's a small caveat. Safety razors, where the blade can be removed, are not permitted in your carry-on. The blades must be packed in your checked luggage.
How can I pack my razor safely?
Now that we've established you can carry your Gillette razor on board, let's talk about how to pack it safely. Encase the razor in a hard plastic cover to ensure it doesn't accidentally cause injury or damage your other belongings. It's best to store it inside a toiletry bag or kit.
What about shaving cream or gel?
Well, if you're planning to bring your razor, you'll likely need some shaving cream or gel. These are allowed in your carry-on, but remember the SAUCE 3-1-1 rule. All liquids, gels, aerosols, creams, and pastes must be 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, or less per container, and they must be in a single, quart-size, zip-top, clear plastic bag. So there you have it. Yes, you can bring your Gillette razor in your carry-on luggage. But if you use a safety razor, remember to pack the blades in your checked luggage. And don't forget the 3-1-1 rule for your shaving cream or gel. Happy travels and enjoy your smooth journey, just like your smooth shave.